In 2024, Malayalam film industry has taken over India by storm with their amazing storytelling, fantastic acting and stellar music. Over 50 films have come out in the past 5 months, and in this video I'm talking about my top 5 picks must watch movies if you're a movie buff like me. Now they're coming from varying genres, but they all have one thing in common, which is amazing storytelling. I have been rating them based on how much I was surprised and how much I was engaged in the theatres. So let's go. At number 5 is Anveshappan Kandathum, which means Seek and You Shall Find. Directed by Darwin Kuriakose and starring Tovino Thomas in the lead role as a police officer, I went to see this movie without watching any trailer, and oh boy, I was shocked. If you're a wannabe Sherlock Holmes like me, then this movie offers you not one but 2 murder mysteries for you to use your brains and solve. The story being set in a time before the use of internet, cybersecurity or any other kind of technology made this even more interesting on how real police officers are using evidences, crime scene and very good understanding of human psychology to solve murders. What I liked about Tovino Thomas' character was that he's not portrayed as a superhero. In fact, he's shown as a very simple man, average guy who's just trying to do his job to the best of his abilities. Throughout the movie, I was so engrossed in the murder mystery that I kept wondering, could it be this person? Could it be that person? What is the motive of this person? Who could benefit from this murder? It truly kept me invested. In the end, I left the theatre feeling so satisfied. So if you want to put your detective hats on this weekend, go and check out Anveshappan Kandathum, which is streaming on Netflix right now. Number 4 is Brahma Yugam, Age of Madness. Directed by Rahul Sadashivan and starring Siddharth Bharathan, Arjun Ashok and the legendary Mammootty. The story takes place in the 18th century Kerala, where a lost wanderer encounters an abandoned mansion, only to be invited as a guest by the owner and his cook to stay. This Kerala folk horror film is a visual masterpiece. From its captivating storyline to its breathtaking cinematography, every aspect of this film is a treat for your senses. Yes, it's a tad long at 2 hours and 20 minutes, but trust me, every minute is worth it. Keep an eye out for this one because I believe it's destined to bag in a lot of national awards, and I would be very surprised if this was not selected from India as a nomination for the International Film category of Oscars. At number 3 is Manyumal Boys, directed by Chidambaram, having an ensemble cast of Shobhan Sahir, Srinath Basi, Balu Varghese, Arun Kurian and many more. This movie is a roller coaster of emotions as we join a group of friends on a trip to Kodaikanal's Guna Caves, where their bond is tested by unforeseen events. This heartwarming tale of friendship and camaraderie has taken Indian cinema by storm, winning hearts across nations. Plus, the music by Sushin Sham is a cherry on top. It's a story about brotherhood and friendship that reminds us that friends are the family that you choose, so choose wisely. You can now watch Manyumal Boys on Disney Hotstar. Number 2 is Avesham, which actually means charged, energized. Directed by Jitu Madhavan and starring the incomparable Fahad Fasil, this is a story of 3 college kids who move to a new city and is befriended by the most eccentric gangster you will ever meet. I loved this movie so much that it had left me in stitches from start to finish. I have already done a detailed review of this movie, so if you want to check that out, I'll leave a link in the description below. You can actually watch this movie now on Prime Video OTT platform, so go ahead, check it out and let me know what you thought about it. At number 1 is Premalu, which means love, directed by Girish Edi, starring Nasleen and Mamita Baiju. This is a cute rom-com we have all been waiting for after Om Shanti Oshana. In this coming-of-age movie, we join Sachin on his journey from college to the chaotic streets of Hyderabad, where he discovers love, friendship and the true meaning of growing up. Will he be successful in love? Will he figure out what he wants in life? It's all for you to watch and see. This feel-good movie with its lovable and relatable characters and catchy music has captured my heart and became now my go-to pick-me-up movie. Trust me, you will want to add Premalu to your list, and you can watch it now on Disney Hotstar. So that's it guys, that were my top 5 picks of the movies that released so far in 2024. I still had a couple of other movies which were top contenders. For one, it was The Goat Life by Prithvi Raj, which is a beautiful drama that will touch your hearts. Another one was Abraham Osler, starring Jairam. It was a fantastic murder mystery, but I preferred Anveshipan Kanditan even more. I also enjoyed Lijojo's Palisheri's Malaikode Valiban. I know a lot of people didn't like it, but I was totally riding on that folklore. I'm also excited to see what else is coming from the Malayalam industry this year. A couple of movies that caught my eye is I saw the trailer for the movie Turbo starring Mammootty. I know one is coming called Burrows that stars Mohanlal. I'm very excited to see the family entertainer of Prithvi Raj, which is called Guruvayur Ambala Nadavil. And of course, the big release by the end of the year would be Empuran, which is directed by Prithvi Raj and starring Mohanlal. That's it, guys. If you want to see a detailed review of any of these movies, please write it down in the comments below. Have you seen these movies? What did you think about it? Let me know all about it. Until next time, take care. Ciao, ciao.